A single course is great for a single idea, but real learning rarely fits in one course. Onboarding, compliance, leadership development, these are journeys. Multiple courses supporting documents, a video here, a PDF there, all wrapped up with one certificate at the end. That's what a program is for. One path, mixed media, one completion. Let me show you how to build one. From the dashboard, click Add New Course, then Create Program, and choose Start with a blank canvas. First step, content. This is the heart of a program, what learners will actually work through. On the left, you'll see your available content ready to drop in. Courses, PDFs, videos, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and audio. Click Add Course to add one or more of your existing courses to the program. Add a PDF, a policy document, a workbook, a reference guide. Drop in a video for a welcome message from the CEO. Add an audio file, a slide deck, whatever the learning needs. Everything you add appears on the right in order. Drag to reorder. That order is the learner's journey. Click Next. Set the language, 19 locales available. Give the program a name. You can let AI recommend options for you. Then the intro, 2 to 4 sentences on what learners will get out of it. Or click AI Generate. CourseAgent reads the courses you just added and drafts the intro for you. Great place to start, then tweak. Add a thumbnail. Upload your own, pick from the library, or click AI Suggest and let CourseAgent generate one on brand. Click Next. Categorize the program, pick subject categories so it's findable. Add a provider, a customer if it's bespoke work, and any accreditation it carries. CPD, regulatory, internal. This is what powers reporting and learner-facing badges later. Click Next. Final step. Settings. Expiry. Does this program need refreshing every 12 months? Feedback. Collect a single feedback response across the whole program, not one per course. Certificate. Issue one certificate on completion of the entire path. Logo, your brand or the program's. Navigation free lets learners jump around in any order they like. Restricted enforces the sequence you set in step 1, and recognize prior completion. If a learner has already completed one of the courses inside this program, automatically credit it. Not making people redo work they've already done. Click Create Program. You land in the program editor, a welcome message at the top, an AI-generated description ready to edit, then your content laid out as tiles in the order you set. Need to add or remove something? Click Add Content, Courses tab for your library, External Content tab for documents, video and audio. When you're happy, click Preview to see exactly what learners will see when they access the program. Exit the preview and, if satisfied, click Publish. The program is live, ready to enroll learners or push to an academy. One path, mixed media, one certificate. That's a program, CourseAgent, guided by instructional design principles with you in control.